He looked right at him for the picture. He probably wants to play with your phone. Dad.
Michael, you gotta see this.
What are you doing, Rube? I can't believe you walked right up to you for the pictures.
Whoa.
Thought you were going to go after Spaz for a second.
Why do you need it? Spaz took me only took off, Michael. You're crazy, Spaz. That bird's me. Yes, he is. Get down, Rory. What's he doing, Nick?
He's just kicking it around. Oh no, he's challenging something.
Yeah, I told you. What are you doing, dude? There he goes.
That bird is such a nutcase. Get off the table, you. Get off the table.
Just put it back on the table.
He was walking around with it over his head, Michael.
He just stopped. It's like, what do I do?
Ruby.
What's he doing down there?
He's just staring at his phone.
Looks like he's gonna attack it or something.
Dad. Dad. He was just sitting there. He didn't know what to do.
Look at his tail feathers. It's crazy.
It's like he's trying to go further into it or something. He's trying to kickstart.
I wouldn't put my fingers in gloves in, Nicky. What do you do,
He's
Michael?
talking now. Talking inside the team. That's awful. That's not funny.
What's up? I like what What's the matter with you? Oh, he'll let your fingers open.
That's how he chews you out.
That's how it works.
That's how he chews you out. He's just like having a conversation with you. You can't tell whether he's like arguing with you.
Thank you.
Got that is so funny.
It's like you said something. Motherfucker.
Where you going, Rube?
I wouldn't put my fingers there.
He's like, I'm gonna get you. What are you doing, Rube? He's like really trying to get Nick, and he got the thing on his head, so he can't get it. Watch out, man. You gonna wonder? Okay. Crash.
Oh, balloon fell down. You gonna strip back in? That is so funny. Careful your fingers. See, you don't tell my fat how he can lay you.
I don't think he can actually get to him, though.
I don't want to try it.
His beak comes like right to the edge of the carton. But he can like almost get it, but not quite. He's stomped on the
Are you
storm.
going to give him the balloon?
No, pop it. Probably
Yeah,
or
balloon.
something to scare the crap out of him.
You have to work tomorrow? What time? Huh? Oh, God. He said he's a pretty bird.
Okay, Ruby.
You're a pretty bird.
He put the phone down. He's been talking to the phone. He's just mumbling and mumbling and mumbling. And he like charges at the phone.